Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a video to give you an overview of Google Chat, Google Meet, and Google Hangouts and how they all work together because there's been some questions since it got opened up, and also we're all trying to figure out what the best system is. So this is just an overview so that you can understand it a little better and decide whether it's something you want to use with your students or not. So right now I am on the Google Hangouts application. So I went to my Google Apps, that waffle iron. You'll see under here there is Google Chat, which is it's an instant message type format. Google Meet, which you can set up a virtual video meeting, and then Google Hangouts. So right now I am in Hangouts, and within that app you can access its instant message portion as well as setting up a meeting. So I do have another Google account open just so I can try and toggle back and forth and show you how it appears on the student screen. So hopefully that will work out. So in order to start a new chat with someone, you just click this plus new conversation, and then I'm going to type in the AT team. That's who I want to start my conversation with. And then instant message chat box will open up here. So I can just say hi. And then if I go over to my other window, so the other user, the student, it's not just going to pop up for them. They actually need to go into the app. So if we click on the waffle iron, and they can go to Hangouts, or they could also go to chat. So we go to Hangouts. So you can see that I have a new message. You can also go up and do a direct video call. So just like you would click over to FaceTime from your phone, you can directly do a video call instead of setting up a specific virtual meeting. Very similar, but I guess it's just a different way to do it. So that is how the students see it. If we would want to set up a video call, you would click here. This is going to take us over to Google Meet. And then I just click join or start a meeting. And you can either give it a name or you can leave it blank. Okay, so now it is giving me the option if I want to join now. So that's just the video conferencing, or you can present your screen. So right now I'm just going to join now because I do have the option to present my screen later. So I am the only one joining the meeting right now. It's empty. And then it comes up and allows me to add others. So I have the joining info right here that I can copy or go down and add people. And in this invite, it will search within the Menominee Falls schools.org, all of those email addresses you can search. Otherwise, I guess if there would be a different email that you're using, then you can just type that in. So right now I want to invite the AT team email. Here it comes. You can add more than one person, and then it will send the invite here. Okay, so again, I'm still the only one in this room waiting for anyone else to that I invite. So I'm going to go over to my AT team. You'll see within the Hangouts, I'm not seeing any type of invitation. The Google meeting is going to actually go through their email. Okay, so now I did get an email on the AT account. it's happening now. Jessica Mendiola is inviting you to a video meeting, and then they can join the meeting. They would just click on this link, and I'm not quite sure how well it's going to work on both ends, but okay, so there was a lot of feedback when I tried to do it on both ends. But I also wanted to show you that when you're in the video chat, assuming that someone else is in here with you, you can go down to the present now, and that's going to allow you or the student or whoever's presenting to show your screen. So when I click that, it will ask me whether I want to show my entire screen. So everything I'm doing, if I go within Windows here, or if I just want within this browser. So I usually do my entire screen so they can see everything I'm doing. You click on that and share. And no matter where you go, it's going to show what you're doing on the screen. So I have had other students. 2 weeks ago, I had a student do the present mode, and then I was able to walk them through the steps of what's happening. It was just like I was standing over their shoulder and guiding them through it. So I think that's a great option for helping students when they really are having trouble navigating the Chromebook and how to access their classwork on their own. Up here you can also, there is an option to chat within the video call that you're in, and also to show the people who are on the call, and you can add more people from here as well. So that is pretty much everything, I believe. So if you guys have more questions, just send me an email or text message or whatever works for you, and we'll get it figured out.